have two of your entities now. You are into training, grooming
Yes.
part as well. I want to ask you is how has been that experience, and what is the category rather or a sector that you kind of work with?
Okay. So, so when I started, the shift of being an artist to now being an entrepreneur wasn't easy. And I didn't know where to start from. I didn't know what I was going to do. So I just started. I remember that my agency that used to manage me, they put this idea in me that, Audrey, you do so much makeup and you are always, you're properly dressed and you know how to speak, your etiquettes are right, then why don't you train people? I remember 2018 when we had this conversation. From 2018 to 2019, it took me a year to sit, figure out,
To convince yourself
understand.
or just to go ahead?
This is what I like.
Which was difficult, convincing yourself or getting into that unknown?
I think so. This is so. This is what I like about myself, that I get easily convinced with ideas.
Yeah.
And I love experimenting. Like, why not? You'll just fail, right?
Very true.
And you learn something out
Yeah.
of it. So I think I was convinced, but I didn't know how to put this together, because I didn't know how to make course start, like the entire course. I didn't know how to speak to people, because until now I was someone who used to entertain people. Now I'm taking a shift to being a coach, a teacher.
True.
So it wasn't easy, I'll be very honest. But 2019 when I launched this, my agency just told me that we won't wish you congratulations, but we'll only tell you all the best, because from here your journey starts. And then I started and COVID happened. So COVID was the time where I just told God, I'm like, God, I've just started something. What do I do? But you have no idea, COVID made this possible today. If I'm sitting here and we're talking about my academy, is because during COVID, I trained more than 600 people online with grooming etiquette, men, women, corporate, pageants, aviation. So Audicious Finishing School is not just for pageants, but it is also for corporate people. It's for
that's nice.
everyone. So it's so yeah, I think COVID was something that pushed it, and I love training people. I'm enjoying it.